coyote, just all out coyote, the elephant, all out elephant, the dandelion, pure, pure, pure dandelion. That's the clarity of the heart of whoever the being is. So another pathway, like a healing pathway, can be, oh, what needs to clear? So I've got crystal clear waters. It's kind of a sweet way to understand one's own heart. It's just a really crystal clear field, like that beautiful water that nourishes life. And so when we're aware of a toxin, because they are around, first and third pointer bones say, yep, there's toxicity. This can be any judgment. For sure, judgments are a toxin. A lot of the predominant societal conditioning in this society and quite globally, but not everywhere and everyone, but real predominant, these overtaking, these genocides, the colonizing, religious-based warfare, all the harm, human to human and human to other species, that is generated out of a denigration of life. Those are all toxic. So these will need to clear, so we have crystal clear waters. And just feel that for a moment. Feel your heart as an ocean, a vibrant, healthy, nourishing ocean. It's like the primordial essence of life on this earth, the beginnings of so much on this earth. Radiates beyond your body always. You are vast as a star. You are vast as an ocean.